So I'm gonna show you how small business is very, very important. And this popcorn, it's based on the thing. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. So I'm assuming it's a small business. Bigger national, right? Go review these popcorn. This one is a little sweet and this is normal butter popcorn. But never taste this one. Oh, this one have an aftertaste. I don't know if it's the oil or the butter that I use. It's a terrible taste. Something about the butter or the oil they use. Get a terrible rancid taste. And no, it's a no for me with this one. A rancid taste. That is, it's terrible. So, I don't recommend that one. Yeah. This little money a business here now. In your clothing. Let's try freedom popcorn. Because, you know, small man a try him little thing, him little small business. So, let's try for him. This is nice. And not only is it nice, it still have a crunch. The crunchiness, like you just prep it yourself. The other crunch, so yeah. I would caution them about the this kind of packaging of them plastic bag, yeah? Because other stuff can sneak through these bags with the odor. So I'm smelling like a soap odor. It doesn't taste like it, but whatever this comes with I was packed beside, it captured the odor from it. So the packaging, I would recommend them change it because the plastic are sucking other product odor. Yeah, it's either pack with, sit with on the shelf, or travel with. That's the only thing. But other than that, it's nice and fresh and really good. So I've been trying to find the right popcorn for my son because he loves popcorn. The kids don't like to watch a movie and have their popcorn. So this one is a buy. So I'm gonna keep buying this one because of the crunchiness, the freshness, and it tastes good, you know, over buttery and you know overpowering. The only problem is the packaging. The packaging is sucking, like me say, other smell from other product that is sit beside our travel one. So finally, find your popcorn I've been looking for months. So I discovered this today, and this is a no-no, but I stick to this one.